The last 5 years have witnessed a wave of next-generation structural reforms which have set the stage for decades of high growth. We have undertaken path-breaking structural reforms by introducing the goods and services tax and other taxation reforms. Banking reforms and insolvency and bankruptcy code. The period of 2008 to 14 will be remembered as a period of aggressive credit growth, and as per RBI, the primary reason for a spurt in non-performing loans and stressed assets. Outstanding loans of public sector banks ballooned from 18 lakh crore to 52 lakh crore during this period. Many projects were started that could either not be completed or had low capacity utilization, resulting in their inability to pay back these loans. They were high-stressed and non-performing assets amounting to rupees 5.4 lakh crore in 2014, even though they were not being recognized as NPA at that point of time. Many more were hidden through restructuring or otherwise, which were discovered during the asset quality reviews and inspections carried out since 2015. हमारे सरकार में ये दम था कि हम रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया को कहें कि ये सभी लोन्स को देखें और बैंकों की सही स्थिति देश के सामने रखें. Past 5 years have seen massive scale up of healthcare. पहले गरीब व्यक्ति इस धर्म संकट में होता था कि वह रोजमर्रा की जरूरतों पूरी करे या परिवार के किसी बीमार सदस्य की जिंदगी बचाए. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को इस बात की बहुत पीड़ा थी. We launched the world's largest healthcare program. Ayushman Bharat, to provide medical treatment to nearly 50 crore people. अब तक 10 लाख बीमारों लोगों की इलाज इसके तहत इतने कम अवसर समय में हो चुकी है और लगभग 3,000 करोड़ रुपए ऐसे गरीब और मध्यम वर्गीय परिवारों के बचे हैं जो ये 10 लाख लोगों को इलाज मिला मुफ्त में. लाखों गरीब मध्यम वर्गीयों को इस बात का भी लाभ हो रहा है जो कीमतें कम हुई दवाइयों में, कार्डियक स्टेंट में, नी इम्प्लांट्स में, और आज दवाइयाँ प्रधानमंत्री जन औषधि केंद्र में बहुत ही सस्ते दरों पे मिल जाती है. इससे लाखों करोड़ों लोगों को लाभ मिल रहा है. There are 21 AIIMS operating or being established in the country presently. 14 of these 21 AIIMS have been announced since 2014.